Welcome back to Primetime News Special. Welcome to the folks watching on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, several students of the Clancarthy High School in St. Andrew were taken to hospital today to be treated for suspected food poisoning. One of the students is said to be in serious condition. They reportedly became ill at school this morning after eating sweets sold to them by a student. Reporter Kirk Wright, fresh from the field, now joins us live to tell us what happened. Kirk, what did you find out?
Archie, well, shortly after 10 o'clock this morning, 16 students who attended Clancarthy High School complaining of various illnesses after eating a sweet called shocker. The sweets were sold to them by another student. They complained of vomiting, feeling nauseous, and having abdominal pain and blurred vision. An alarm was triggered and the students were taken to hospital. One of the students, a female, has been admitted and is said to be experiencing pain and swelling in parts of her body. Reports are that it's a regular practice for the student who sold the sweets in question to always be selling sweets at school. I should tell you too that representatives of the Ministry of Health visited the school as well as the hospital and police station and took samples of the sweets for testing. On close inspection though, it was realized that the sweet had expired a little over a year ago. The police have questioned the student who sold the sweets and are carrying out further investigations. The police are also asking persons and parents to be on the lookout for shockers and other items sold at the school that may be expired. The school was not available for comment.